Get in there. Stick your hand in there. There you go. Get down in that mush. Stick your hand in there. Come on. There you go. Ooh, nice deep one. Look, pumpkin seeds. Stick your hand in there. Come on.
Let him reach down and do it.
Get in there. Get down in there. You don't like it.
Look, there's one on you.
What is that? No! No. No. You don't eat that. Stick your hand in here. Come on, Heidi. Stick your hand in there. Stick your hand in. Come on. Come on. Isaiah. Stick your hand in there. Come on. Come on, put your hand in. Ready? Come on. He ain't doing it. Put your hand in. Can you say pumpkin?